Welcome to episode 5.4 of Concept to Video Content. If you joined us before, we've gone over script lighting, audio, teleprompter, trimming clips, captions, and transitions. Today we're going to work on removing the background, moving your layers around, and adding a new background as a separate layer. Now, removing the background is not a required thing, but in some cases you may want to add some floating data that you want to reference to and point to as part of your content, or maybe you want to get rid of maybe a non-ideal background. So let's jump right in. Go ahead and open up Capcut. Now look towards the bottom on the Capcut workplace and scroll to the right. Here you will see the Remove BG icon, which stands for Remove Background. There are a few options here on how to do it. If you want to keep it simple, you can click Auto Removal, which is pretty good. And again, the beauty of genuine content is that it's not expected to be perfect. If you want to make it cleaner, you can use the paintbrush under Custom Removal or the Chroma Key function for green screen if you have one. For this tutorial, we will go ahead and click the Auto Removal icon and then click the check mark on the bottom right next to Auto Removal. You'll notice the option will change to Restore. This is for in case you inadvertently remove the background on the wrong clip. Here you can reverse it. If you're adding some data or statistic that you want to point to or reference above you, then you'll need to move your head down and get it out of the way. Keep in mind that this will move your placement for the entire clip. So you may want to split up the clip to when you will be done referencing your image so you don't have to manually slide everything back up again at the end. Move your head out of the way, click on the basic icon in the workspace, then on the y-axis, move the slider to the left. For this, I stopped at 325 for the axis, which shows here on the right. Click the check mark to confirm. To add a reference background, first click on the plus button on your timeline to add an additional clip or image. Select your image from your library, and then click Add. Now you will want to click on what you want to be your top layer clip, which in this case is my talking head clip. With this selected, go ahead and scroll through the options on the bottom until you see the overlay icon with two arrows on it, and click on this, and you will see the reference image placed behind your head. If you want to extend the time the image is behind you, and select the end of the layer that you want to extend and drag it across your timeline. Now, play back to chat. So let's go ahead and pause there, and for our upcoming videos, we'll move on to techniques like applying video filters and optimizing your audio after you've completed your video. Until then, jump in, share your progress, tap into Sellstate Alliance's supportive community for growth, and feel free to drop your questions below. And as always, thank you for watching, and remember, success starts here with Sellstate Alliance Realty.